Hello, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to space where honest, expert beauty insights meet real talk. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on a product that promises to care for one of the most delicate hair needs, color-treated locks. We're talking about the Redken Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo, designed specifically for chemically treated hair, with a sulfate-free formula that gently cleanses while protecting your color. It features amino acids and a fresh camellia leaf scent. So let's see how it really performs. At first glance, this shampoo positions itself as a color care essential, boasting a sulfate-free formula. That's a big plus because sulfates, while great for cleansing, can strip color and moisture, so avoiding them is key for longevity. The amino acids in the formula are intended to strengthen hair by supporting the cuticle layer, helping reduce damage caused by chemical treatments like coloring. The camellia leaf scent offers a subtle, fresh fragrance, not overpowering, but pleasantly clean. Incorporating this shampoo into my routine was straightforward. It lathers softly and doesn't create that harsh suds feel you might get with traditional shampoos, which makes sense given it's sulfate-free. It cleans my hair effectively without leaving it dry or stripped, which is critical for color-treated strands. Over several washes, I noticed my hair felt smoother and looked shinier, with less fading of the color compared to other shampoos I've used before. That said, if you have very oily scalp or heavy product buildup, this shampoo might not feel deeply clarifying enough on its own. Is this shampoo easy to use? Absolutely. The texture is light and the scent is refreshing without lingering too long. It rinses out cleanly, leaving no residue, which for me translates to less dullness and more bounce. On the downside, it's not a miracle worker for deeply damaged hair. You'll still want to pair it with a good conditioner or treatment for intensive repair. Also, while the camellia leaf scent is lovely, if you prefer stronger fragrance, this might feel a bit mild. Here's a quick rundown. The gentle cleansing power, color protection, and amino acid boost are definite strengths. Its sulfate-free formula ticks the box for being kind to chemically treated hair, and the scent is a nice bonus. On the flip side, it might not be sufficient as a solo product for those with heavy damage or scalp issues, and fragrance lovers might find it a bit subtle. When considering value for money, Redken sits in the mid to high price range for professional shampoos. The ingredient list supports the price, especially with its focus on amino acids and sulfate-free cleansing. If you're committed to maintaining vibrant color and want a shampoo that won't aggressively strip your hair, it's a solid investment. However, if you're budget conscious, there are more affordable sulfate-free options on the market, like the Pureology Hydrate Shampoo or the OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo, that also protect color and nourish hair, though formulations differ. The packaging feels professional and sturdy, typical of Redken's salon-quality branding. The bottle design is practical for shower use, and the product dispenses easily without waste. As for longevity, with regular use, I'd expect the shampoo to last a standard couple of months, depending on hair length and washing frequency. No issues with shelf life here, as the formula is stable and preservatives compliant with industry standards. I haven't needed to contact Redken's customer support personally, but the brand generally has a strong reputation for responsive service and stands behind their products well in the beauty community. No recent reformulations or packaging updates are apparent, so the experience should remain consistent. If you're after a shampoo purely for color protection, but want to spend less, look at brands like L'Oreal's Everpure line or Shea Moisture's Color Care shampoos, which offer decent sulfate-free options at a lower price point, though they might lack some of the amino acid technology found here. To wrap it up, Redken Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo delivers on its promise to gently cleanse and help protect chemically treated hair. It's well suited for those prioritizing color longevity and mild strengthening effects without harsh ingredients. While not a deep repair solution, it's a reliable shampoo for everyday use within a color care regimen. If you want salon quality care and don't mind the price, this could be your go-to. For those on a tighter budget, there are alternatives that might also do the trick with slightly different benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried Redken Color Extend Magnetic Shampoo, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. The purchase link is in the description box, so check that out if you're curious. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.